Hello, my dear ones. Let's take a moment to simply be together. You've come to this space because you want to learn something beautiful, something simple, and something powerful. I know that if you're reading this, you are ready for change. You are ready to manifest your desires with ease and joy. And today I am going to share something with you that has been a game changer in my life. You see, it's all about a powerful method I've developed over the years that allows me to manifest my desires in just 7 days. Yes, you heard me right, 7 days. It's not magic. It's not about waiting forever for your dreams to come true. It's about understanding that you already have everything you need within you to create your reality. Now let's get into the simple yet profound steps that can help you manifest your desires faster than you ever thought possible. The first thing I want you to understand is that you are a creator. You were born to create. Everything you have in your life today, whether you realize it or not, is a result of what you've been thinking and feeling. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your emotions are constantly working together to shape your experiences. So if you want to change your reality, you must first change your thoughts and beliefs. It all begins with you. The most important part of this process is to get clear about what you want. So often we are unclear about our desires. We say, I want more money, but what does that really mean to you? We say, I want to be happy, but what does happiness look like for you specifically? You need to get very clear on what you want to manifest. The universe can only respond to what you send out, so make sure your request is clear and specific. Once you know what you want, it's time to align your thoughts with your desires. This is where many people struggle. They have a desire, but their thoughts are filled with doubt or worry. They think about what they want, but then they wonder, will it really happen? Am I worthy of this? These thoughts create resistance, and that resistance slows down the manifestation process. So how do you get rid of that resistance? It's simple, by changing the way you think and feel. The key to manifestation is belief. You must believe that what you desire is already yours, even before it appears in your life. This is where the power of positive affirmation comes in. I want you to start affirming your desires every day. Say it with me. I am deserving of all the good that is coming my way. I trust that the universe is bringing me exactly what I need at the perfect time. But it's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them. When you say these affirmations, feel the truth of them in your body. Feel the excitement, the joy, the anticipation of receiving what you've asked for. The more emotion you put into your affirmations, the more powerful they become. Your emotions are a magnetic force that draws your desires to you. Now, after you've aligned your thoughts and emotions with your desires, it's time to let go. This is perhaps the most important part of the process. Often we try to force things to happen, but forcing only creates resistance. Letting go means you trust that the universe is already working on your behalf. You don't need to control the how or the when. The universe will bring your desires to you in the perfect way at the perfect time. All you need to do is trust and allow. And this is where the magic happens. When you let go and trust, you make space for your desires to come into your life effortlessly. You start to notice opportunities, synchronicities, and signs that are guiding you toward your goal. It may not always look like you expect, but I promise you, the universe knows exactly what you need. Another essential part of this method is gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful vibration that draws more of what you want into your life. When you are grateful for what you have, you are sending a message to the universe that you are ready to receive more. So every day, take a moment to express gratitude for everything in your life, whether big or small. Be thankful for the love you have, the money you have, the opportunities you have, and when you are thankful, more will come your way. In addition to gratitude, visualization is another powerful tool in the manifestation process. Take a few moments each day to close your eyes and visualize yourself already living the life you desire. See yourself enjoying the things you want to manifest. Feel the emotions of having already received it. The more vivid and real you can make this visualization, the more the universe will respond to it. It's also important to stay present. When you are focused on the present moment, you are in alignment with the energy of creation. When you focus on the future or the past, you are disconnecting from the power you have right now. Stay in the present moment. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, and know that your desires are already on their way to you. When you repeat the steps I've shared, you are creating a shift in your mindset. You are reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe that you are worthy of the things you desire. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but it doesn't take long either. As you practice, you'll notice that your thoughts start to naturally align with your goals. You'll stop doubting yourself and start trusting that what you want is already on its way. One of the most powerful aspects of this method is how it changes your perception of your current reality. So often people focus on what they don't have, and that's where they stay stuck. But when you shift your focus to what you want to create, you change your reality. Every time you think about your desires, you reinforce the idea that they are possible. Every time you practice gratitude, you attract more of what you're thankful for. Every time you visualize your success, you are taking one step closer to making it real. The method I've shared with you today works because it taps into your inner power. You are the creator of your reality, and you can manifest anything you desire. But you must believe in your own power. When you believe in yourself, when you trust the process, and when you align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, the universe responds. It's as simple as that. It's important to remind yourself that manifestation doesn't require hard work or effort. It requires surrender and trust. You don't have to force things to happen. In fact, forcing can create resistance and slow down the process. The key is to remain open to receiving. When you are open, you allow your desires to flow to you naturally. Take a moment every day to feel the joy of your desires already fulfilled. When you do this, you activate a powerful vibration that attracts what you want. You send a message to the universe that you are ready to receive, and the universe responds by bringing you the people, situations, and opportunities that will help you fulfill your desires. In your daily life, look for the signs and synchronicities that guide you. They are there whether you notice them or not. When you start paying attention, you'll see that the universe is constantly working in your favor. Your desires are being aligned with the perfect circumstances, and you are moving closer to the life you want. Now let's talk about the time frame. You've probably heard that manifestation can take time, and while that can be true, I've found that you can manifest your desires in 7 days when you follow these steps. The key is to remain consistent and focused. Each day, repeat your affirmations, visualize your desires, and take inspired action toward your goals. Even if you don't see immediate results, trust that things are happening behind the scenes. The universe is always working to bring your desires into your life. On the 7th day, you will begin to see shifts. You will notice changes in your circumstances, in the people around you, and in yourself. You may receive unexpected opportunities or meet people who can help you achieve your goals. This is the result of your consistent energy, your belief, and your trust. But I want to remind you, my dear one, that manifestation is not about striving or struggling. It's about allowing. It's about trusting that what you desire is already on its way to you. The more you practice this method, the easier it becomes. You will find that you are able to manifest your desires more quickly and effortlessly. It's important to note that every desire you have is valid, and you are worthy of all the good that is coming to you. Never doubt that. You are a powerful creator, and you deserve to live the life you desire. So my dear one, as you begin to use this method, know that you are supported by the universe. Trust yourself, trust the process, and trust that your desires are already on their way. I believe in you, and I know that you can manifest anything you desire in just 7 days.